Hey guys, and welcome to my new video. In today's video tutorial, we're gonna talk about how to add a non-Steam game to Steam. So, you have a game that's from another site or not from Steam or even illegal, like pirated, and you want it to add to Steam so you can just click play or anything. This is the video for you. So, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go to library, home, and on the left side is the list of games you have. You're going to click on add game and click on add a non-Steam game. After that, it's gonna take some time to load all the programs, and we are going to add a T launcher, so that's Minecraft, and click on add selected programs. So on the left side we should find the launcher. Here it is, and as you can see you have the play button but nothing else. Why? Because of course it's not a Steam game. What then you can do is you can go to right click on this, you can set a custom background or set a custom logo, you can click on play also, and when you click on play it's gonna launch. I'm going to stop this so we don't play it. And basically that's about it. Thank you for watching today's video. Thank you for watching every videos that I put up. Bye.